Guys, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can call anyone with a private number. So let's get started. So first you have to download two apps. The first app is Text Now. With this app you can have your own private number. So first download it from Play Store. I'm also giving you the link in the description also. So after downloading this, open, and now you have to sign up with your original Gmail account. So yeah, I'm signing up. So here you can see the numbers, fake numbers. So you can also change your area code. For example, I'm using US code for that numbers. So the second app is Talk You Free. From this app we are going to call any other persons with private number. So after downloading, open it and sign up. Click on sign up button and allow the permissions. So here you have to change the code from India to US. We are using fake number. Here you have to paste the number that we have got from the other app. So this is the number 518. You can also get, there are many numbers, so you can get your own and type the number. I'm typing. So after typing the number, you have to click on the continue button here. And now you will receive a one-time password for verification of the number. So the one-time password will be on your second app. As you can see in this, here is a one-time password. You have to type in that app. So I'm typing here. So now click on continue button and it will verify yes. So now we will dial the number. First you have to change the settings of call, and you have to on the button of anonymous call. Here you can see, and I am on it. So now we will call with fake number. I am dialing the number. So here I have the second phone. As you can see, the call has come. It is with the US number +1 starting. So I am now disconnecting the call, and it will also disconnect, as you can see. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.